I know so many insanely talented filmmakers who never go full-time. Not because they weren't good enough and not because they didn't love what they do, but because they never learned the part that no one talks about. How to actually build a high-value creative business. If you're a freelance filmmaker or content creator and you're sick and tired of doing $500 jobs that drain you, this video is for you. I've been in your shoes. A few years ago, I was grinding, editing till 2 AM and still barely scraping by. But everything changed when I stopped focusing just on the work and started focusing on becoming a creative director, not just a filmmaker. All right, well, here's the truth. The best creators don't make the most money. The ones who know how to communicate value, build a brand, and pitch an irresistible offer will win. These people are the ones that are closing 3K, 5K, and even 10K projects. You can have the best videos in the game. You can be creating videos for your clients that are absolutely insane. But if you don't have systems in place, you're still gonna lose. Or if your outreach sucks or your mindset still isn't there, you're gonna get stuck with lowball clients. So here's where everything started to change for me. I realized that being good with a camera isn't enough. I needed a real system. I broke this down into 3 core shifts that changed everything. And not just for me, but for the creatives I coach too. Firstly, I stopped showing up like a freelancer and started showing up like a premium creative director. This meant fixing how I looked online, how I spoke about my work, and who I spoke to. By creating a brand that looks premium, you'll attract high-end clients. Do some research about some high-end brands and apply that knowledge to your business. Build a brand that looks like they would be charging $5,000, $10,000 for a single project, not just $500. Second is to create an offer that feels like a no-brainer. Most filmmakers out here are selling 1 to 2 minute videos, when in reality, what high-end clients want is clarity, consistency, and results. You need to structure this in a way that solves their business problems. So you need to start pricing based on value, not effort. And third is to be able to sell without pitching. You need to stop sending proposals, and you need to stop hoping that people will get back to you. Through DMs and your personal brand is one of my favorites. It's not about being pushy, but just becoming the obvious choice. I think one of the main key drivers for this is to lead the conversation. Through a warm DM conversation, you can start to build a relationship with a potential client. And once these 3 shifts were applied to our business, there was no more chasing, no more price haggling, and no more burnouts. And this is exactly what I teach other filmmakers to do inside of my coaching program. One of the filmmakers I was working with was barely charging anything, sometimes doing free shoots just to build his portfolio. And now he's charging over $1,000 per shoot. And he even sent me a message saying, "Thanks for all your effort and work, bro. It's such a big part of why I'm here right now." And that hit me. It was a really exciting moment for myself. And this is what it's all about. Helping filmmakers actually charge what they're worth and to be able to build a creative business that actually gives them the freedom they want. If this resonated with you and you're serious about breaking through that 2K a month ceiling, I'm going to be posting more videos going step by step into how I actually achieved the filmmaking business we have today. Or if you're ready to go deeper, I'll leave a link below. Let's connect and we'll chat soon.